Hi and welcome to this review of the Coman Go range of monopods. This one that I have today is the Coman Pro M1 version 5 monopod and fluid head. It's designed for photography and video, and today I'm going to go through its technical specifications and also my initial impressions. So let's first go through its technical specifications. It's made of carbon fiber, so it's really sturdy and strong. It'll go to a maximum height of 175 centimeters and take a payload of somewhere approaching 20 kilograms. And it compacts down to just a mere 66 centimeters, which is brilliant to fit on the back of your camera backpack. It has 3 small tripod style feet if you wanted to use it in that mode as well. And the quick release is super fast. That's all you need to do. So you can adjust this to any height that you require. You can see here the height that I'm getting to, 175, plus your camera on top. That will give you great extension. And if you just want to use it as a true monopod, the legs actually pop off. You can also pop off the head and reattach it. And when it's in this mode, you can use it as a super stable, low level tripod. It also has a foot plate here, which when pressed, you can then use to maneuver and realign the monopod section as required. And the legs do go away, so that's easy for packing, traveling, or attaching to your camera backpack. It also has an auxiliary connection so that you can connect additional accessories beyond just your camera or video camera. It also comes with a ground spike should you want to fit that to the bottom of the monopod for additional stability, and it also comes with a set of hex keys for adjustment. And as you'd expect, it comes with a great bag, very tough, very hard wearing travel bag with convenient pockets for quick release plate, handle and accessories. So let's now see the ball head in action. It has a tilt locking knob there for the rotation in the vertical plane, and it has a rotate on the horizontal plane too. Both of those are easy to adjust. And it also has a small spirit level so that you can level it. It also has an adjustable lever, which is extendable as well. So you can adjust that to any angle you require. You can shorten and lengthen that. With regards to attaching the camera, it's got a quick release. Just drop that in and it locks that. And to release, simply push across and it stays open, and you can again quickly attach that. Okay, so let's see this in action now. And here's some footage of me panning horizontally, vertically, and freeform, whereby both the horizontal and vertical locks were released. So what are my thoughts on using this Coman, and do I recommend it? So it is super quality. The build quality of the monopod, the components, the fluid head are excellent. The fluid head itself is super smooth. This is definitely the fluid head that is the smoothest of all the ones that I've used today. And the height range up to 175 centimeters plus your camera is really excellent. That should give you all the height that you need. And the ability to use it as a low level tripod gives you an additional advantage of this. I can't recommend this highly enough. I'll put the product link in the description of the video down below, so go check it out. And if you are in the market for a monopod or something similar for travel and videography and photography, this is ideal. I'm going to be using this for all of my wildlife photography going forward and my videography going forward. Please remember to like and subscribe to the channel, and also check out these videos next. Thank you very much for your time in watching this video, and remember to pick up that camera, get out and get some practice. That is what photography is all about. And until next time, thank you and see you soon.